Hello, good day everyone. Hello, my name is Leonardo. Today, I want make a handcraft. What handcraft I want to make today? Just check out. Okay. First, we need two cartoons. The first long cartoon is 20 centimeter, and then the second one is for the head is 30 centimeter. After that, what things what we need for we want to make now? First, we have ruler. After that, a pen, scissors, and then the last glue. Okay, now we must make a strip first for the pole. Okay, we make for the strip is 3 centimeter. Okay, I will make first 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. All of them 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. And then 2 centimeter, and then stretch the pole, like what? Yeah, like a square. Okay, later I will to give you about how to make it. Make a stripe. Just follow the line what we already give the horizontal, or make straight stripes, and the stripes, and then like this. We already make a stripe, and then cut it. Follow the line. Cut. I think I wrong, but not sure. And then cut. Cut. Di BNN itu banyak program yang harus kita. And cut, and then done. After that, we fold a carton like this, like H or A. After that, fold again like this, and like this, and then bring them up. After that, glue it. Glue. And then glue again. Then glue again. Glue again. And then glue again. then first step is done like this. After that, we make a second one. The second one, we just make a long 30 centimeter. Okay, and then we must stripe it with 3 centimeter also. 3. 3. First ya. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For microphone is done. That we stripe again, just like and then still wait again, make a stripe, make a stripe, make long stripe again. And then the stripes is done. After that, we cut it. We cut it first for the second, and then for the third. After that, make a fold again, like this. After like this, make fold again, and then fold again, fold again, and again. And then for the first fold is done. After that, glue it in here, like here, and then glue it. Glue it. Glue it. Okay, glue it. And then glue it again in here. Then glue it again here. Glue it again until makes like a box. Okay, glue it again. For the last. After we glue it, and then one hole in there. After that, we mix it with the box, with another box again. Yeah, ta-da! And then your pencil case is done. Okay, I think just that today. What I want to present it to you all how to make some pencil case from cartoon. I think just that, and then goodbye. See ya.